showdowns in the next 7 days.
Kapodongyo mago mag siasa nyakoro mga juang kwit mar Azimio la umoja wan Kenya Alliance Ramogi biro dhi nyime kod ng'anyo mag sundo piny owacho mondo reso chui mathurka. Jotend Azimio wacho ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nyaka we ywagore ne sirikand Uhuru Kenyatta mosekalo kendo ket kare chenro mag kelo lokruok kod dongruok ne oganda jo Kenya. Kotelne kod jaseneta ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna, jotelo go oseo sirikal kuom gope madhuolore ka gisingo dhi nyime kod keto piny owacho tesre e singo magi ne oganda jo Kenya. Negilose log tich maduon bura mar ODM e bure Nairobi.
When are things going to get better? When will the shilling stop falling and losing to other currencies? When will the shortage of dollar end? When will the prices of essential commodities come down?
We want answers, and if they do not come in the next few days, we'll have no option but to lead our supporters into these offices for answers. We will follow these officers anywhere and everywhere for answers and not warning.
If we as the representatives of the people have been unable to extract a plan from these people, from the so-called government of Kenya Kwanza, we will take our people to Professor Ndumu's office so that he can explain to Kenyans what the plan is in terms of economic recovery. We don't want people to continue threatening to name individuals who have looted Kenyan money. If you have the names, call a press conference like this and tell Sifuna took 10 million. We have sent the details to the DCI and to the ESCC, the accountability agencies. Let them do the investigations, because even Kenyans want to know. But we cannot have a government of lamentations. They don't have any plan. Every time they come, they tell us about the previous regime. The Kenya Kwanza administration, if it is an administration, must now start accounting for its